Today, I'm gonna be redoing this exhaust. This is that HKS dual knockoff, whatever I bought from the junkyard. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of it. These mufflers have seen some better days. It's rattling a lot. Mufflers are kind of crunched. They've been pushed in from smacking the wall. That's like melted to the muffler. I remember when that happened. Had to cut that out. Eventually the bumper itself is gonna get trimmed as well. I'll put a bash bar back here, but that might be a little while. In the meantime, I bought single exhaust from ISIS, the terrorist group. No, ISR, single. We'll see how it goes. I don't know. Hopefully it sounds better. All right, got that old exhaust out. A little bit of a pain, but it is out of there. As you can see, it's dual all the way from the front to the back. I don't know if it affected the performance much, but I didn't like the way it sounded either. And as you can see, it's been crushed, rubbed, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. All right, it's bolted in, mostly mocked up. Again, I'm gonna have to come back and deal with these hanger mounts back here. He cut them so they would fit his car. They're not going to work for my car, as you can see, but that's fine. We got a welder, we're gonna make it work. However, I think it's pretty damn clean. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited about that. Sits up a little higher than the other one did too, so. Very nice.